Yaga, yeah, I'm a my, yeah, I'm a my, yeah, yeah. There is no other sound play sweet like my sound, no. No other sound can play like we, no, no, no. We play crystal clear, I can hear it from afar. Play so mellow, so nice to me. I saw we giving them no more chance. And them they sound and a rough like, you know.
I am here vibing one of the most soulful and talented singers who forced his way in the music in the early to mid-90s. His parents named him Gary Henry, but we know him as
Gary Minott.
Gary.
Gary Minott.
Gary Minott.
Gary Minott.
Oh.
AKA Yaga.
It's a Yaga.
In person, give thanks to life. More blessings, more
It's
respect.
a joy, you know.
It's a joy to meet you. Say there's no peace in this war. Rude boy got you head. Say too much bloodshed in the streets of this town. Yeah. There's no love, only hate. There's no time, there's no date. We tell them go see God before it's too late. Yeah. Say from we are there, we are so we work, so we earn. Teach them.
Yeah. It's a joy.
Apologetically.
It's a joy, man.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Your smile has brightened my life, and your love keep me warm. So you turn me on, girl, yaga. You turn me on, girl, yaga. You turn me on and on and on and on and on. Woman, and just your touch make me burn like fire.
Talk to us though. Early life. Place of birth.
Kingston.
Kingston.
Jubilee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where you actually, grew up.
Yeah. All right, to tell you the truth, I grew up in a Kingston, like out of East Kingston.
East.
Warwick Island,
Okay.
Rockford, Mountain View, them places.
Yeah, and you grew up with the old man and old lady?
Yeah, I grew up with the old lady.
Okay.
Because the old man did get knocked away from the early, 1972,
Oh.
Yes, police did kill the old man for just, some simple thing where them just say it's a mistake.
Okay, my condolences,
mistake in
man.
identity, So from them time, that's where we have to just take it from.
Okay.
Yes.
How many?
Speak true,
How many brothers and sisters?
All right. I have 3 brothers with me, right?
Okay.
And 2 sisters. But one of my sisters
Pass
passed.
on. My condolences.
Passed.
Mommy is still alive?
No, one lady passed.
She passed as well.
Also,
My condolences, man. Yeah. Where you attended school?
I attended school Mountain View Primary.
Okay.
Because I grew up in a Mountain View.
Right,
I grew up in
right.
a Warwick Island, them side, East Kingston. So, Mountain View Primary.
So you're not going to school for Mountain View Primary for the minor?
No.
Okay.
No.
Straight.
I go Mountain View Primary, then I go Vauxhall. But in them time, it's like you don't know if you get a youth from the ghetto in a certain school. There's a lot of controversy. You understand? Sometimes all your position will sell out, no matter how great you do.
Yeah.
Your position will sell out because you want to know. Tell you the truth. I leave Mountain View School at the age about I'm 10.
Oh, early.
Yeah, early.
Yeah.
Because what you know, Mountain View Primary stop at 6. Because first of all, Excelsior was the primary.
Okay.
Excelsior across the street was the primary. Then they built up Excelsior now to the high school and use Mountain View as a primary.
Okay.
So now me end up now in a Mountain View primary now. Me have to transfer to Vauxhall, which is on Minott Road, in front of the Bellevue. You understand?
Right.
But me now is a Warwick Island youth, and place where I come from, and
Yeah, and what was it like though growing up back then in East Kingston from a financial perspective though?
All right. I can remember one thing. My father used to have a shop right a Sanders Lane, the end of Sanders Lane, in front of one shop where we call Lady Lane, right?
Okay.
That up on Mountain View Avenue. Little top side 63 and Gerard Lane. That them place I grew up. You know what I say?
Yes.
So now it wasn't that easy thing. My father used to have a shop out there where him sell like fried fish, fried dumpling and them thing, they have a milk music when play and thing and thing. You know, when people are come from Rialto Theatre them time and King's Theatre, all at night time, them are going to stop by and them will need some little nightcap, them would have call it, you know, for pep up. They know say night rasta, they can come for the night rasta. Even when at them time, you know, my old man couldn't grow not even one strand of locks, you know.
Yeah, because them time.
You know, dread in a Babylon.
Right.
The
eat hot against rasta.
Alright, I mean, there's a little warrior, I watch and I see everything want to go on. So, you know, that's natural.
Yeah, so how old were you when the old man was killed though?
Alright, 6.
6?
1972 more.
1972. Yeah, and what was the general East Kingston like back then in terms of being violent or volatile?
Yo, in them time there, let me tell you, as a youth, 6, at the age of 6, after my old man dropped out, you know, me have a brother-in-law named Tony, right? So you find out now, say, him have a sweetie factory when make candy up on the hill.
Okay.
See, so that kind of crack a little nut. Then now my old lady now, she do cash program work. Cash program work in them time there where they give out the people in the work for sweep the street.
Okay.
Remember my old lady get $25.50 for her pay. And I'm supposed to go to John and Wang out of Minott Road in front of Rockford Police Station. Go get things, go buy things and get back a little change and she have, watch you know, greatest thing. She have 5 hours in her school, you know. 5 hours in her school. So,
she make it work.
And a normal thing, Papa. Not a normal thing.
Yeah,
in
and
real life.
yes, and in the research it suggested that you growing up, people who you grew up amongst were people like Barry Salmon and Count Azzy.
Yeah, grew up amongst the whole 12 tribe of Israel.
Oh.
Organization.
Okay.
Some man like
Gadman and them and them?
Gadman and Reuben. All of them man, them grew up. All right. To give you a better example. You see, all when me I 8, 9, me I travel all the whole of Jamaica, you know.
With 12 tribe?
With 12 tribe of Israel, you know. Some of you know, El Shah before this build up, as a little youth I tried to with Rastafari. You understand? 9 Mile. You understand? Out of counters with them. We don't bag of them. We go a Scotch Park. You know? We go whole heap of place in a St. Elizabeth and all them places and move them time Haile Selassie grandson and forward. Haile Selassie son.
Okay.
We forward in them time. When we go a 12 tribe of Israel meeting, when the whole 12 tribe of Israel meeting move out, then we now forward. So till a couple of days. But my whole lady accept that and know so
cool, man.
Barry Salmon, as you was saying, I one of the man now we're forward. Because in my Barry Salmon, mother, and my mother is from the same parish.
St. Mary.
Me now is from Charleston, which is St. Mary. Buff Bay, you go Buff Bay, you turn up Charleston.
Okay.
So now, you know, say, Anatabi or the other side where Barry Salmon come from, and then the rest of the family in the Alman town. So it's like, no, my family now come from a 2 angle. My mother come from St. Mary, my father come from Portland. So, you know, that is how
it's
a youth, you know,
understand.
And that's all the thing. So Barry Salmon now come from St. Mary. So Barry Salmon know my people.
Okay.
You understand?
Right.
So now when they reside and come to Kingston and now, we all just end up in a one surrounding when we know each other. Then now Charles as a elder Rasta man, you know, used to make candy up in the hill. Can teach my brother-in-law when me tell yourself make candy. Charles and them man they teach them. So now Barris Aman and the whole of way up there, you know. I saw me learn to ride a bike and them things.
Okay.
You make me learn every little thing because everything open up to Rasta.
You would have moved from East Kingston as a teen to Spanish Town. But question, before the movement, right? You started to really and truly get drawn in or pulled into the music yet, or it was when you reached Spanish Town, the musical vibration really started now?
Remember me telling you, I grew up amongst Barry Salmon and Charles and Count.
Right.
I know Naya Bingi. See me drum there? I know Naya Bingi. You understand? I know certain things. I know music. I know if I pick me look at 1 and 2 strings, I saw we grow up. You understand? Barry Salmon, Charles them. So when me migrate go to Spanish Town in 1978, in the end of 78, somewhere down in them time. You understand? When me go to Spanish Town, well equipped as a little warrior.
Oh, okay.
Them time they be like 13,
14.
Yeah, you know what I deal with? Well equipped as a little warrior, because he's a revolutionary warrior when no say, yo, yeah, me, at this. To tell you the truth, I know nothing else, at this. And how you construct the few little interception where really, you know me I deal with intercept the information from the universe when it come now. You know me I deal with you if you can keep yourself in an open mind, know that there's certain things that come to you where you have to embrace because at them keep you alive.
Yes.
You know?
And and was it there a particular reason for the relocation from East Kingston to Spain?
All right, let me tell you something now. We grew up amongst all of the warriors. We grew up amongst Copper, George Flash, Anthony Brown, and we see the struggle.
Okay.
With the Rasta and everything. So when I sing them kind of way, so one don't really know. Serious matter, you know, I just freedom of expression, you know what I say?
So yes, man.
Yes, straight up. I want to really know, I want to hear me, I sing and just lip service. I word of mouth. A real thing in a real life. You know what I say? So I'm not joking, we can't just sing like, through me have a voice, can't sing. We just go sing like a, you know, like a what, we have to know me and do so. As a one who just choose to deliver certain things. We have to know me I do. So when we reach a Spanish Town, we reach a well equipped.
Yeah, but you still not tell me why you don't move from.
No, when we reach a Spanish Town, we're well equipped, you know. Because this is the reason now. I tell you, I grow up amongst all of the warriors them. Then now, in the remember, you know, when all the judgment kick off, you know, in the 70s. From in the 70s, man.
Okay.
The judgment kick off. But you know, say, things could have take time and a flush out and, you know, Green Bay killing and, you know, them time they come up to the 80s. But you see, in the 80s now, and that's why the judgment. I and I never have to leave. Which part I and I there? Because I'm surrounded by all of the people who I want to surround by. When know me and love me, I know my father, I know my mother and everything. See? So watch out now. Because my mother wants a better way for we now. She said, listen, you know, this place I turn upside down, you know. So yeah, me I go to know. Me I go. I'm the small one, because me are the smallest boy.
Okay.
So she even one time she migrate and come to Spanish Town, which part me have some other parents live, right? Me still have two brothers in Kingston and so forth, but they were a bigger one, you understand? And they were supposed to know Pele, my brother named Pele, my biggest brother named Pele from out East.
Okay.
See? And Raymond, Desmond, Hewlett, and Paulette, you know me I say I, which is Ayana is the last boy, my sister will drop out, is the last girl. You understand? So I say Anita last boy, because we call her mother Anita.
Okay.
So you see, the whole migration thing, you know, when politics come up near to politics now, you know, so things take time to step up. She don't want we in them environment, and knowing that we are local youth and we mingle with certain things and we can get carried away in a certain things. Which way we did still have the people we are guide me. Because you see George Flash, Anthony Brown, you see Copper, you see Bagger, you see Percy, you see Pele. I teach them people, I teach me. So all of them are talk about certain things, certain time. I teach them and they teach me, you know, even though them have them role with them are playing. You know. But them still have to make sure say if them not do what them are do, amongst the younger around, when them rise up, Jah go lick them with a lightning ball same way. So you can't go on like you're too bad for come and drink a cup of tea just like if you sit down and reason with a youth, but they know what go on my youth. You know, I say no, don't do certain things, you know, because you're pretty, you know. You understand? And when it's not pretty, me I tell you that. So you don't know. And we see all the things, you know what I say?
Right.
And when the ones them who involved in a certain things just to make even just a community feel free. Ones and one step, major step. You know what I say? So now my whole lady don't want we in a them thing there. Me, I one of the smaller one, and then my brother now when me follow was the bigger one for me. So we reside and come to Spanish Town. My sister, smaller sister, is there amongst my people. I understand a country, amongst my grandmother them. And my brother when he impelled now, I'm a big man. You understand him, and the next one in the real man, he's a mechanic and so forth. So it's like it depends on a balance. You know what I say? We able to go through. But when we go Spanish Town,
Which part of Spain you drop?
Right in the heart of Spanish Town.
Oh, okay.
One place in called Chambers Lane.
Okay.
So when we drop in and she give thanks to Chambers Lane and give thanks to Whitehall and give thanks to Jamaica overall. You know what I say? When we drop in a Chambers Lane now, we are come out a certain environment, Papa. Now, we come in a lane another environment that we are come out only two so we don't dep on the hill again.
Right.
We dep on the flat in a different place. But it's a worse environment. You understand? Because Chambers Lane there, so I Rise there, so Capture Land there, so Rivali there, so Della there, so. And me I deal with like a surround, me I deal with anyway when politics are going on and anything the place run red. As a little youth, see where I left out of one thing, and come forward on one thing, so now I say, all right, you're going to deal with this now. Them know say me a singer. So what you know now, a Spanish town I know,
right.
Me start to sing. Work at one place where them call Fedigums. That Fedigums that shop name.
Okay.
That shop never close.
Oh, 24 hours.
24 hours. So they have a jukebox around there. So we always go around there and punch. Rhythm and play. So till we start to work in the shop.
Okay.
Get to link up with the man we control Channel 1 studio, Bridget. Serious thing that I earnest them, And Miss Wang sang them because them people are some different kind of people. But me I work in there and I watch out the look up at them and I see what the place and I sing. So they have a record shop around the corner, right, on Wellington Street.
Oh, okay.
So now, automatically me I push my cart one day. You understand? And some of the guy was selling at the record store, he hear me I sing.
Oh.
So he call me and say, me give us a farm. Pull it out and when a Pop and Variety show.
Pop and Variety show.
So I do like and full it up and thing, I want to tell you say when we get it, me I push the cart. So when we do now, me just like so and just carry it and let it off and give it to the Empress and Bear deal.
Okay.
Right and say, listen me now, I soon come forward, see? I'm going to do what I do and come forward and I sit down and full it up like, me I deal with? Bam now. I send it in. So them send me forward a request and say, all right, well you have to do some rehearsal and thing and them give me a rundown and they say, boy, I have something. So I sing a song now. Them say, all right, I qualify because plenty of people don't qualify. So I sing a song named Tell Me Where Mama Gone. That song, you always have me sing. Tell me where your mama gone, girl. Tell me where your mama gone, far, far away, girl. The way they sing. So now it's like, them love the song. So automatically now, when the final come up now, because we have Skullman, we have Papa San, we have...
because Spanish Town, Panic Ground, De La Road,
normal thing, Halloween at the evening thing, So what? Wolfman. What? Another normal thing, Papa. The thing serious.
So you have Dirts, Wolfman, Stitchy, Son.
The whole Spanish Town fraternity. Because when time he come
Skullman.
Not Skullman alone. Skullman and his brother, because Skullman are twin, Skullman have a brother,
Okay.
Yes, Skullman have a brother. Two of them are twins. And one at a time, his brother did try run on the stage to Skullman. Through Skullman in there when he do his song when he stuck. And it caused trouble because I made it there the show too. Look, most we have to jump over and press it. We send in
the farm.
So now, time come here, go run the rehearse and thing now. Then now, we have a little sound up the road named Smalax.
Okay.
Keith asked a youth where they England and thing and sound in Smalax. So what really happened here now? Monksman, Bullman, Nicky, Dread, Elfrey. Papa San, the whole of the same way, but just because we come from mostly like up at this side and now the whole of it there all about some politics and so and so. So we know so we have to bring respect because we are the musician and people love music.
Yes.
So we say, all right, the responsibility now on. So we start playing music, try to get the thing together. And I want to say in the 1980s, before me even reach 1986, as me I tell you, see, before me even go through that process, what me I tell you, see. After we go to the Papa and Variety show, see, no, me get called for go, but plenty of people don't get no call for go. You know what I say? So now, when me do like so now and do the rehearsal and everything, And them say, all right, the final going to come. When the final come, the one we are sing for the parish. Then. When we go on the stage and start, because Byron Lee banded around there.
Oh, Byron and back.
Byron Lee and the Dragon. When we go up on the stage, say, no, Spanish town and Spanish town towns are left full. Right round, they're full of people. So when we run on the stage now, I start to sing and say, tell me where your mama gone, girl. You know? And then me start to sing one song like, oh, Levi sing one song. Like, one song with me I say me is a youth, say me down simple. Me put down my slate and take up slate pencil. Me put down slate pencil and me take up chisel. Me put down chisel, sometimes me play a marble. But me say to me trap, me catch a rat, me put in a piece of coconut, me send it in the ceiling, and you know, some you say, you know my thing? Yeah, and then you when you're Bullman, you know, really carry me around a small axe. That's something get for me. Monks, man.
Oh, okay.
Nicky Dread, and all that thing. You know me I say?
Yes.
So, in the process, at them time, I know everyone get to know, say, no, you see that little youth there?
Bad.
I'm a serious singer.
Yeah.
You know me I deal with?
But even so you're serious singing about who in the space were you hearing at the time where really and truly resonate with you?
Remember, me tell you now. When I come on Spanish, I come fully loaded as a little youth. Come up off a playing kettle drum, watch your own guitar. When I bury some of them do all them songs, we say, one step, I hear them you down. You know me I do? Yeah. You know me I do them time that we in the process when them man they make all them songs, they work hard with them more sounds and qualities, and because when you're up on the hill, you can look over and see all the airport and everything. So you get inspiration. You're up on the mountain and looking at the city.
Okay, cool.
When you come to Naya Bingi chanting and now you find out say Dennis Brown, the man there. And Naya Bingi chanting and the man there 12 tribes.
Right.
Find out say all Rasta man in the music fraternity. Man like Burning Spear, man like Culture. Because Culture is a man who I admire a lot, you know. Dennis Brown, Barry Saman. Because I can sing like all of them, you know. You understand? But me just do like so now. Fear one no say me create an avenue.
For yourself.
In a mind with this now. Me use a sequence. Me use a sequence where them sound involved, even though I'm not making their sound. So it is a sequence where, you know, like when you're in a room and you say, oh, you hear a different sound, you know me idea. And when you come outside, you hear a different sound. But at the same time, you still meditate a different sound. That is how me as a youth come through in the music.
Cool.
I always listen, because everything when I say tell me something else. So I have to know where to agree, what to assess, how to go about it, how I feel about when I assess, and how I feel about when I agree to. So, you know, I have to do understand. So all of them, man, they like Barry Saman, Burning Spear, Bunny Wheel, you know,
yes. So the Pop and Variety contest, you actually won that contest?
No, me don't want it. Me just go up on the stage
and sing.
Go up on the stage and sing, tell me mama gone. Then now them keep the big one now.
Okay.
With Byron Lee and the Dragon near them now for the big festival. When they get me around here for sing now, I run on the stage and I do the speed rap song I tell about. What them do? The people them start up, because the people them know this little youth on Friday night out. What them do now? Them borrow the people them push down the gate, take over the fence, now and full over the park, full up the whole place.
Area.
Police rule, do everything, because the stage big for you to go across the street, you know. Big, you know, Byron Lee them do them thing. See? You know them have to do? Them have to take me off of the stage, to see man, police them have to take me off of the stage and put me underneath the stage and say, listen me. Them have to go on the stage and say, no more Gary Minott until we don't clear the park. And that could have never happened, Papa.
Okay.
Them have to just love me. Them time me on the stage as a little youth, you know, bend down, you know. And I trim me, I say, oh, them time me have a little bow tie, you know, my black pants and my white shirt. I'm trembling about me, no, see, I'm my mission this. You understand? So, this when they take me out back, man at the stage and say, all right, we got to continue the show. It's a different story. You know what I deal with Papa as a little warrior. And
yes.
Another thing about it, you see the kind of energy and the kind of vibes and the kind of feelings I want to feel. I have to find myself among them kind of people who generate certain kind of energy, not the people who drain certain kind of energy. So you know what I deal with that? If I deal with music the way just as how me I tell you, say me have to deal with it. Even me have to wait all a million years. Because I don't depend on music feed. I don't make no money out of music, you know.
So
I don't make $1 out of music. When I say don't make $1, not literally.
Right.
Because I sing too
But
special.
you don't earn what you have to earn.
Me keep sing too special, make $2 little, put my pot, you know, me I deal. When I tell me I'm at a shop in a Spanish
We
town.
soon get around to all of that.
I serious thing, you know, brother.
We soon get around to all of that. Zine, you made mention that, you know, them said no more Gary Minott, but the birth name is actually Gary Henry.
Yes.
How that became Gary Minott?
This little youth here with name Bullman. When I go in a small axe and I sing. See? Them used to call me reggae. Reggae, because through whatever thing, whatever idea, whatever thing, then come with, it's like, you know, you drill through it. It's like when you are drill through certain things. You know what I say? So you see the youth when him Bullman, you know, he might call me, he might say, yo, me and your brethren, you know, so you don't watch, you know, no. You see the reggae way I say, me know where I say, I say, yo, reggae ranking, kind of them time they're ranking, I go back.
Right.
So I say, reggae ranking. So the people them start to listen me and sing. You know me I deal with? And then now, Bullman said to me, say, a gear man that me I call it, and Mr. Minott me I call it, and I say, oh, you call it Mr. Minott. And then now, remember say, we have Sugar Minott and Echo Man. Then the Sugar Minott are more younger youth than Echo Man.
Right.
And I say, yeah, but I said, a name sake still, because we have whole heap of artists where just work off of the name. You know me I deal with, but the region we are looking at, you sound to me like someone more in a them region. They like Burning Spear, Culture. But I know me can do my ragamuffin style same way, because they know me have my quality. So now, they start to call me Gary Minott. And them start to call me Gary Minott. You know, because even my surfing ticket when me achieve from representing my St. Catherine,
Papa
Variety show. I'm a Gary Minott upon it.
Oh, okay.
You understand? I'm a real name upon it. You see me I say?
Right.
So now people start to call me Gary Minott because now we get a little chance now to sing pan a dub plate. So now you know you sing pan a dub plate.
Yeah,
you're not feeling there. So the man them catch what so them hear them call me and then put it on. You understand? So now we find out that people start to call me Gary Minott, but every time we sing now, me always say, Ayaga yeah. So that have a hook. For me, and Missy says a sound, Missy says a easy, you know. So I try to find a way now how to put it in a sequence when I have to just say Ayaga yeah alone.
Right.
Ayaga yeah, my. You understand?
Mad.
So now when I put it in a sequence, it's so nice to me. So I start to use it that kind of way there.
Signature sound.
When the people see me step up now and start to say Ayaga yeah. My, them realize now, so me take this serious.
The name Gary Minott stick now on the signature sound, amateur.
But
watch a style now, okay? You say they're on small acts now.
Yes.
See, we know about Monksman did up on the ground there, so who else was on small acts at the time?
Everton Frey, Nicky Dread, one bridge worker in England. I don't remember. Junior Frost.
Junior Frost.
Look at Twitch used to sing on small acts. And to tell you the truth, small acts around the place. All of the artists from everywhere. I come from everywhere, but we have a small acts crew and then you have a selector named Junior Frost. You understand? And Bullman used to play on small acts song. See?
Cool.
Yeah. Everton Frey and
yeah, man. So you're on small acts and all. And because at school then you develop, you learn the thing. See how the journey now move on from small acts going forward.
Alright. Because after I get certificate, you know, everything, I'm there on small acts, I sing. Everything, you know. So it's like the man them say, boy, them have a trip to England, you know, all the thing going on them time there. See? But it never work out with me. It work out with the bigger one. Junior Frost there, man. Multi-blind, what it's on name, multi-blind. See, all right, Papa. Anyway, now, media Spanish Town. So after the same Papa Variety show now, me and enough of the musician them still link up. Because the musician them know say he's a good singer. And me a youth. And me always I get good encouragement from them, right? So now, Me there my place. One of the man that used to play a musician used to play the guitar, we play the lead guitar, named Bobby. Tall, slim Bobby, see?
That from Rhythm King?
That from Rhythm King, see? I remember say we have we play the bass man, Dr. Paul, you know.
Okay.
And we have Bully, you know, because I remember say Bully Kingswell still round on the road there. You know, me I deal with which part him live in a Spanish town.
Oh, okay.
See, I've been sued and everything. So now I start to link up with them and then now we have some experience. So I come out of one thing and I come in another.
Thing.
You understand? So I start to think in my head now. See? Anyway, then I sing not to go and sell because we still have to find work for do and you know me I do and all them kind of thing, you know. Make up all style and sell and you know what I say?
Oh, okay. Still up on the hustle.
Yeah, because I depend on so, but I know me have a potential. And I know Jah have to answer to my call. Which way? Me already know. I shouldn't even say I know Jah have to answer to my call. I should have known say me have to answer.
Jah call.
Jah call. And I eat this because sometimes when the thing come you don't even know say I eat until it appear. You know me I deal with slowly speaking. So when them start to call me gear man that now, me divert in that you know. See? Me do a one song for a brethren we're connected to a warrior we then call I don't remember what they call a warrior there, you know, from Spanish town, you know, him there Canada. And him come in and him kind of love we as a little artist we are going. You know, I sing a one song, a song named Why Lovers Cry.
Well, okay.
See, and then put it out, see?
And that song was recorded in Spanish Town?
Why Lovers Cry, I don't remember. No, not in Spanish Town, in Kingston.
Oh, so you started going
studio
now?
Some of them time, you know, Spanish Town, no recording studio and anything until they are Spanish Town.
Okay.
But when time me start to that, some of them me get involved with now from out of the Rhythm King band, you know.
That Bobby?
That is Bobby, you know. Bobby carry me, say me don't carry, I go to studio, because I tell him, say, me know bury some man and then.
Right.
And me know him, man, you know me, I deal, me know certain man. So one day me and Bobby link up now. I come and say, Bob, straight to Kingston. Me carry me, because he know the accuracy and you know, because they have me knock up and bury some man come out and say, Gary. And I say, yeah, man. And I say, yeah, me there. And, you know, more time we under the big tree, right, at Skateland, the Sophia, the whole day, just sit down and them and they meditate on them music. And I play them low there and them damn know everything. Jingles them and the whole of them and, you know. And then now, me there's a little youth, you know. Me not do nothing, you know, but me have to keep that kind of energy the way me, the vibration that flow through me, I have to there in the company them way, you know. Anyway, we just go to the studio and come and bury some and know some of them go RJ studio, go do, what they call it,
dub plate?
No, we go do audition.
Audition, okay. Oh, okay.
Up behind stadium there, that are the same place where swallow people run out, you know. And RJ studio, and next studio where we call it studio there, we go Jammins, see, we go. We don't know last, we go Penthouse. Because you know me I deal with we don't know last. Because Penthouse are more uptown.
Yeah.
And they get big. You can't go them places, Scorpio studio, we can't go Scorpio studio. Because them man, they like actually get a youth, them where come up with an idea of certain kind of energy. Maybe them produce something with you and you get a highlight and you can.
So go place like Record Factory and them places.
Record Factory. No, no.
Down the road.
Yeah, that's way.
Okay.
You know what I say? So we know the Spanish town was a little youth from in at them time, then I do my little thing and a hustle and thing. So now, pan the sound name Small Axe now, I buck up this youth here. When name Chronicle.
Oh, Chronic
So me say, my youth, you know, see you favor somebody when me know. So one of the warrior them from Warwick Hill, when me grew me now named Jasper from the Jarrett Lane. It was for them youth the family.
Okay.
So me say me I carry around with some man, kind of find out what I want. So me and him live on the same zone, so we get kind of close now. We start to go studio now. Yeah, at town. Go like going at Tubbies.
Okay.
Me and Zana do them time then here again. We used to go on a secondary school and go for Chilla U. We go to secondary school for Chilla U, them I say, yeah. And the whole of we go at Tubby's studio, you understand? and one next youth when named Chris O'Will.
Little
Chris, them time there, we and Daddy Mix and little Mix. You know me, I did, we can't. Yo, you see the more you go on, and the more you touch way, say, yo, yeah, me. There's so many people involved in a life, in a year, like, you know, in the complex, you know, in that complex there where really know certain things. You know me, I deal with that in the business. So people start to know me from Kingston.
Before we take up the recording aspect of the journey though, because it says that somewhere along the line you ended up around Kilimanjaro. That was before the recording journey started or after you started recording?
No, that's
before.
No, I tell you saying that earlys. Me device, that's in the early 80s.
Right.
Me device, a one song name, Tell Me Where
Tell
Mama
Me
Gone.
Right.
But to a Canada it released on Choice label in them time there.
Okay.
So it never make no, as a little
no impact,
and so forth with a little the youth named Herbie Tam Tam when he produced a song there, see? And yeah, Herbie Tam Tam. So from them time, I did do a one record. I did have a record. We say, boy, I'm
you dip on wax?
Yeah, we dip on wax. You understand? So that was the first record with me ever. You know, I remember we grew amongst Prince Jazz Bullet and them and I Ride.
Right.
You know what I say? So anyway now, Ricky Trooper now. We and Ricky Trooper then grew up.
Oh, okay.
Because him Gary too, you know. You understand? So we used to be around the marching band.
Marching band, yeah, because that's how him start out.
Trooper, yeah. You know, so to know me, you know, and them in marching band, me used to do a little baking for them when them are youth and a march.
Okay.
But me never want to get involved
in the marching band
in the police and the soldier thing, and then recruit me in a brethren.
Okay.
You know, them I deal with from scout to cadet. And from when you scout, them can, they know them can, with a police or
soldier.
No, scout like police, warder.
Oh, okay.
Immigration thing out the airport and them thing. You know what I mean? But you see, when you're a cadet, you know, a soldier want you for. So now me did more interested in like being you know me I did like going to the army and all that kind of way. Even though we never go to school in a bridge have certain kind of education and get no qualification from this or from this, but we know we can master everything because you can't create sound and melodies in a music and you can put words together and make the sentence. That is so, that would have been possible. Because me I can spell when I sing.
Yeah.
Just like how me can use the guitar and say there's no peace in this world. I'm come like up on the guitar. Tang, 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 tang. So that I come from somewhere else. Just what sounds and vibration come through certain quality, certain mindset, how you think, how you master the craft, how you want it to sound, how you want to feel about how you sound, how you want people to think about how you sound. So you have to do let them transformation to yourself.
Yeah, man. So you ended up around Jaro because of the link with Trooper. So when Trooper ended up over Jaro.
No, Trooper come for me one day in my kitchen.
Yeah.
And said, man, right now, we are going on war, you know. And I want you sing 2 songs for me, see? But through the rest of sound them, cut no don't play it with me. Because the first don't play it me do, you know. I've one sound named Crystal Blue, you know. Zana do make me do that sound, you know. So you don't want to know. Ricky Trooper say, yo, my that I sing, you know. Because them know me, you know, but you know what I say?
Right.
Ricky Trooper do like someone carry me go. I start to select for Kilimanjaro. And I punish down you would see him and him there with Ninja Man and thing and thing. You know me I say, all right. He say, man, I'm going to sing some song for you. Because I'm murder some sound and me my use. And the man come from me one day over in my kitchen and I say, what the Axel Road there? Drive go to town and go up and say, Harper place. And me there sit down, man. Sit down for like 6 hours, you know, out of the rental place, it's named Reliable Rental Pan. Yo, so I carry me in the studio, man, and I start to sing, man. The song that I sing now, you know, I deal with them not known to the public nor anything, because them don't know me about the voice of an effect. So when Ricky Troop, me sing out No More Chance, and do not be them no more, and you know, some song for Trooper and all them way, you know. You find out now, say, troop of them start to clash with soul over this. If you use them and beat them, you know, man. Troop of just kill them the whole of Jamaica with my song, you know. And I tell you, no, Papa. And then now people start to come to me. So when me sing No More Chance, you know. If
Jara played a long time. Oh. Yeah, because, but even before you reached Dave, I think I did it as a dub plate for Gary G first. Before Pan Pepper Seed.
Papa,
So all right, so I could try to work it out. See? All right, hold on. So you correct me if I'm wrong, you know.
Yes.
So based on the info we have, Zane, when one of them encourage you to do a dub for Gary G at Penthouse.
Watch I know, no? Me the outer arrows.
Right.
But media Penthouse, because I start to go a Penthouse studio now, you know, and link up with Jeremy and them, you know.
Right.
So I start to go studio and link up with Jeremy and them and so forth. You know what I deal with? Even before but Louis Culture, them in their advice for Dave Kelly, Nadine Sutherland, Terry Fabulous never did it. You know what I deal with? Like, me going at me always did it. So Dave Kelly, them in at the studio. Can we get access here now? Okay? You know, I move on. Them see where I come to as some little young rasta. But the thing is this, you know, when them telling checks every youth are some kind of youth where a ragamuffin youth. We are ragamuffin youth, you know. We are revolution warrior, you know. But we don't support slackness. But it's not everyone know them thing there. Because you see, how you carry yourself have a lot to do. Some even tell all my brethren, don't tie no kerchief on it, man. It look like we are impressed Babylon and all them. You know what I say? So when me do like someone, they are Penthouse, me start to go out of Arrows now, left from Arrows, me and Chronicle apart.
Okay, right.
Left from there, so we go up a Jaro, up a Red Hills Road, you know what I deal with. So, the man, Sprague Benz. I have a son named La Benz.
La Benz.
So now, me the outer arrows, but through outer arrows now, them call Buju them for the dub plate and all them with it. Me out there, me see Buju them come out there so me can get the money from Buju them and thing and I win one that them. Because they know me from a Penthouse and it's like any artist can go in a Penthouse because some of them unruly, you understand? Anyway, them see me as a little humble warrior, but them don't know my intention. And I know so me don't have nothing else to do in a life more than to sing. And I know me I sing say. You know what I say? So what you know now? Let me step up in the studio, the man do some dub plate for Gary G. Because you know when them do the song, them always give Gary G them and the man do some special for them and thing. So me didn't know me there in the studio and we don't want to say. Wait there. Because Gary G and the whole of them in the studio now. We don't want to say. Wait there. When you wait them man, make Gary put a song pan rhythm for Gary G. Them time the Pepper Seed rhythm already released a year before.
Okay.
Not really a year before, about 10 months ago. So now we don't want to say, Gary put some policy for Gary G. See? So now right away give me the mic, we just start to sing. Ayaga yeah, I'm a my mama yeah, I'm a my mama yeah. There is no other sound play sweet like my sound. No other sound can play like we. No. We play crystal clear. I can hear it from afar. Play so mellow, so nice to me. And so we giving them no more chance. And them the sound then a rough like, you know. The song they know. Before me do that the song there, you know. Let me tell you this now, when me left out. Before me do that the song there, you know, because I remember Dave Kelly them around Penthouse.
Right.
But Dave Kelly them label name Madhouse. And Jeremy and them label name Penthouse. Alright, watch what go at me I know. I advise a tune for Penthouse, you know, but I for Jeremy. Before.
Yes.
Me do No More Chance.
Okay.
But it's Dave Kelly vice me. For Jeremy and because Dave Kelly, them that work with Jeremy and another Jeremy and them work.
So David work with you before No More Chance.
Yeah, because No More Chance upon Dave label.
Yeah, man,
when they just go on here now, and you know, them amongst them, them Jeremy and have a rhythm in there now, what they call it general rhythm. So them time me they out there. Me they out there, they not really hear me so I know, but them can know say me used to know Dave Kelly from a long time, like from the Tough Gang.
Okay.
But him kind of know my face. So, you know me I deal, we never really so that close and everything, but him know my face and know, so this youth here try the streets here. You know me I deal with? Anyway, Dave Kelly got the like so. And Buju Banton do a song say, me want to know how Master God work. And then Terry Fabulous do, who look after now. And then no, Garnet still do, when the lion roars, you understand? And then no, Little Chan do, Little Chan do, yeah, 5-star general at
Yes.
And Dave Kelly say, Minott, put that song on already now. You know, like, you know me I deal with? How many do like so I say? Girl, you fi jump up and laugh after your matey and make a girl know say you rule because you have the title and you have the tool and no girl can take you for no fool. See, I think that a 92.
92.
But nobody never hear. No, that's a 92, you know. But when we are talking about it up before that,
Yeah,
that
man,
they just left out
understand
before me they go to Dave Kelly.
Yeah, man.
The part they just left out. But
Ooh, that
you
good,
understand?
man, that good.
So, in that in 92, because everything start now from this on now, you know. Because remember Ricky Trooper, them, I see we like 90, 91.
Right.
You know me, I deal with things start. You know me, I deal with, because the Papa and Variety show me do it from 87. So we jump in and you know me,
Yeah,
in
man,
90s.
90s.
So you find out now, say, but remember saying that them time, the pinchers them and the whole of them out there, but that did kind of cool down now when it touched down. In them time like 91, 92. So me I get a little hearing here now. We go up on all London promotion.
Okay.
Over Fort Clarence. See? So
Progress of making nice streets, man.
Progress of making nice streets, but what you know, I don't make no money, but me I say, I want my name out there. Because you see when you build a column there,
yeah, man.
you create, because I tell myself, say, I create an avenue. I never say I create a lane, you know, or a street, you know,
Avenue.
or a highway, you know. I create a avenue. You know me I deal with, so you can be able to, you know me I deal with, get the fullness of what me I deal with. You see? So Papa, after me do that, after me do the song now for Dave Kelly, after Penthouse, so you know me I deal with, so no Dave Kelly, them Billy Pepper seed with him, but them have it out there a year after. So now, them drop me on it when Wayne want to say Gary do a song pan already, I jump on it and give Gary and then give Jerry. You send it on the dot, them time some look at
Who took your voice for the dub play?
Dave Kelly.
Okay.
I don't play it now, I film project.
I film rhythm,
I
yeah.
film
Man using rhythm like that for
yeah, I film project now. I film project it I go to Gary G. So Gary G come check them on the personal and get pre-release.
See the
Pre-release and them thing there. You understand? So, yo, Gary G, there, and then say, boy, I name say this guy name. Gary G, I'm name Gary, man.
Yeah,
watch here, no, Papa. You know what go on? Gary G, go play the song on the radio. People must say, what kind of voice that? The voice is so like, it there a long time. It sounds so mature, like it there a long time. You know what I say? So now, the people them start to ask Dave Kelly, who is this singer here? And Dave Kelly, I say, yo, you know, say, I want to go sing from Spanish town. And that Dave Kelly tell me, no. So Dave Kelly start to work with me and now and say, all right, Minott, they might ask you the song, you know. See, I voice the song.
Officially now.
So I voice the song officially and the song jump way and, you know, I never get fit to the damage I want to do with the song after the song jump because a little space they did for me. You know me I deal with, but with me in a crew. Madhouse crew now. You know me I deal with because Dave Kelly make me get like all my permit and them things they respect to Dave Kelly.
Oh, okay.
You know me I deal and so forth. You know me I deal with and you know, him tell me said, Minott, me tell you this. You see a permit, you can't do any kind of work or flying with a permit.
Oh, so you actually started flying now?
So Dave Kelly after me do no more chance. The next year now, which is 93. You understand?
Right.
I'm going on 94 now. Me get my visa for travel. So me and Terra Fabulous, Louis Culture, Donovan Steele, Daddy Screw, you know me I deal with we anyone. So we start to travel, but we never get no whole heap of trip. Me just go me just go a reggae cafe with them a Florida and do 2 shows and thing and for them make sure say
still experience on that belt.
For them make sure say everything good and this is a start so we can take it from there. You understand? So I start to sing now, then my voice the next song now.
It's with Terror Fabulous.
With Terror Fabulous.
When the Baba Boom, Yaga Yaga. You turn me on, basically.
You turn me on, you know,
big tune.
With big tune.
Yeah, whose idea was that?
Dave Kelly.
Dave.
But the way how me sing now is like, cause Dave Kelly, me tell you this, you see Dave Kelly, I know a normal. I tell you.
Good boy, Kelly a general, man.
I tell you, I know a normal.
Production-wise.
You see, me tell you something. Yo, sometimes I don't know in a life, you know, Papa, if, you know, cause you always have some, notice this. If you half a glass of water, see? And you put a whole of lime in it. You can see the water come up. Just like how they drop the bowl of them in the sea out of Airport Road, and then how the water rise down a Elcha. You see me I deal with, we kind of deal with our thing on them kind of levels. Yeah. Switch part we put our foot and stand up on solid ground like when we say boy 1 foot on land, 1 foot on sea. You understand? So I still have to work and I do my little thing, even though I go foreign and come forward. I still have to do my little thing. We go studio, the advice to tune with Terror Fabulous, you know. From there, I started the 1 and 2, dub plate, start to achieve one. You know, I did a little thing, could I able to finance myself and so forth. Then all of a sudden, now, one uproar. My voice a song for Steely. Not voice, me voice a song for Steely.
Yeah.
Because I go to studio
to decompose.
I go to studio and Steely and Steely then turn me out. When I do Giggy.
Giggy, okay.
When they do really when they do Mama. I go there and tell me which song in my head. Because I know the song is a hit song, you know. Tell me which song in my head. No more chance. That's why I can sing it behind the rhythm, you know.
Right, okay.
Because you know from when that song, Bill, brother, that song, Bill, from when? Gilbert.
88.
I just sit down and I just start to sing. And I realize now they said, this is something that come to me from the Archangel them. So I start to sing it without even know, say. You understand? So I go in and I sit down and I realize what I go on and then I orchestrate it the kind of way. You understand? And it jump, brother. But if Dave Kelly, it just put some interest in me, a great way. Because I love guitar, you know. Me I'm just a dancehall singer, you know, Papa. You know, I deal with me a real revolutionist in the music fraternity. I can sing soul, I can play soul song. You understand? I can sing whichever music you can think of. We can sing it. But when we have talent, you know, Papa, you know, I deal with what I want to know in ourselves, say, people who have, you know.
Look, boy, I got Korea before kidnap them, man.
You know, people who have, you know, people who have privilege, them to see the youth them with talent, Papa. You know what I deal with? So, you see, Dave Kelly is a youth now where see talent and all them be there, you know, but there's a difference with the promoter them, you know, in them time, the producer them, you know. Because me go up at Steely studio one night, me and Chronicle go up there, but me, in my head, me never did know, in my head, say, Steely want me for voice a song, but Steely can't come to me because they run me out of the studio already. So one evening now, we are come to Spanish Town, I leave studio, Chronicle say, man, I'm going to go up at Steely. Because Chronicle knows I'm not to deal with them because them not give me an earring. Fear me have to say, them not know me life, they don't know me life story, they don't know me I come through. But you can't just look at everyone and think that everyone are just the same, you know what I deal with? So now, I go in the studio, Captain Barker and all of them in the studio, but me sit down outside, from me and Chronicle go up there, I sit down outside, and I see Max Priest come and thing, and I sit down outside, you know, and I hold my meditation and dip on the stool. Sit down outside and I smoke a spliff and I'm in there do what I'm doing. It's like Chronicle say, man, more you can hear that rhythm, you know. But still, come back and all of them, you know, dip on it. And I say, anyway, I don't like some going nice studio. I say, you know, something now. And it's like, I say, let me do a demo or something like that. So I go in there, you know, and then play the rhythm. But deep down, you know, a voice still want to voice me, you know. So the song where you hear name Decompose is a demo, you know.
It's a demo? I think that's on the Please Be True rhythm.
Yes.
I think call it Leapfrog.
It's a demo. You know, say, me have it in my mind now, say, it sounds good and everything, but somebody can do it on rhythm. So I
Right.
say, all right, play the rhythm. Let me voice the song. You understand? And I say, no, mom, it good, man. You know what I deal with? Because I just go in and start to
Right,
sing.
right,
and just
right.
sing and just get a cut and say that good. Since I'm not even get to voice the song the way I really want to voice. Then now, the next morning, decompose on the radio. So that now ring a bell.
Yeah.
Me and Dave Kelly artist.
Oh, and your voice is
I'm going to voice the Steely Pan film. I don't really say me go voice the Steely.
Yeah,
It happened. But me did I tell Dave Kelly about that song. I said, Dave Kelly.
And Dave not take the
So
song.
me I said, Dave Kelly, like how me do. No more chance. I mean, there's no peace in this war.
Oh, so you advise.
There's no peace in it. See the one in call, see
Yeah, man, Seek God. You advise Seek God already then. Okay.
So me say, I decompose now, you know. And Dave Kelly, like, you know, Dave Kelly tell say, I'm not ready for that song there yet.
Okay.
He said that song there, I'm not ready for that song there. You know which song Dave Kelly did want me sing on a rhythm there, Barrington Levy have a big song. Beanie Man have a song on it, say, how do you feel when you... Yeah? A song where I say, I plead guilty among the majority because we're living in a poverty. I may not take part in a no conspiracy of them one-way hypocrisy. My only crime is living on the borderline. I sometimes to do a lifetime. My only sin is living in the system. I guess I'm just another victim. My only shame is calling Selassie name, and them chicks say that me insane. My only wrong is being a Rasta man, and them appreciate me tradition. So me can't plead. You know what I say?
Yeah.
So after me, that Dave Kelly want my voice. So that song they know, that song they never get for voice because Be the Man they jump out with this ghetto slam. I think.
Okay.
No man. No, 9. Like he must sing something about how you do you feel when you wake up this morning and you saw a big you know what I say, them song there, Be the Man they do. So that, yeah, so then they jump out from this now. So Dave Kelly see me, send come call me, understand? We have great work to do. So now, me do like so now I'm going to link up Dave Kelly and Dave Kelly say, why not? The song there, where do? For steal it. You know, man, I still had the big belly one, don't it? I mean, I say, and you know, I say, you know me I deal with, I know enough to feel because me never did feel please about it because I know what I go on with it.
Right.
You know me I deal with, so them things they kind of help you hold back a whole heap of youths. I tell you, because the producer them in a fight a war. I'm sure where the corruption coming out. The producer them a fight a war with them one another. But them I use the artist them as the missile.
Ammunition.
Them I use we as the ammunition. You know me I deal with? So watch me now. When I want to do certain things, I want to do certain things, and I want to have to dip on top because I feel through already place.
Right.
I know so the thing for God. That's why you with enough talent not really get free. You know me I deal
Because
with?
you're not short of that for true.
Yeah, them thing there, and then you know people have the powers where they can tell us some people at certain radio stations to don't make
play
certain
that.
artists play and it look like say me get worthless and me lazy and me no want to do what me I do after me know me an original singer. Me never stop right yet.
Yeah, what you think I know, Father Gear? Because you said a couple of things earlier. Zane, one is that you don't get the justice you deserve. Zane, as we say, we are try.
Yeah, I know me no want no justice, Papa.
You don't want justice.
No, let me tell you what I want.
Yeah.
I want equality.
Okay.
Because guys, me know. All right, you ever
But Peter thought say if there's no equal right there, can't be no justice with them.
No,
so
no,
you
no.
don't think go.
So me I tell you say what you know, no?
Yeah.
Equality. So me I deal the equal part, me I deal equal rights. What you know?
But saying that to say this, you see? Because we spoke about some songs already where, because we have a lot of young people that try to learn the music, like myself here.
Yes.
And so even though Gary Minott did not get to probably maximize his full potential as a singer, he would have recorded some songs where have lost the test of time and will continue to last the test of time. And we make some songs where we can gloss over. So the collaboration with you and Terror Fabulous, that's a big collaboration.
Big collaboration.
Yaga Yaga, which is You Third Me On. You understand? So for this, the youth, when there's a build sound, we are building catalog, you know, to have them dub play. So we have a couple of lines out of the song. For the ones there.
My dreams are made of your love. Without you, girl, how can I go on? Oh man, I hear you. Your smile has brightened my life, and your love keep me warm. So you turn me on, girl, yaga yaga. You turn me on, girl, yaga yaga. You turn me on and on and on and on and on. Woman, I just you touch make me burn like fire. Love you physique, I know you attire. Every mind not in a state of dire. You have me burning like fire. Woman, I just you trust and your love me require. Why your body that is I'm on desire. Surrender yourself, girl, answer me prayer. Give me your love, girl, take me higher. You lift me higher and higher. You're my desire and higher. And higher. You're my woman of me moaning with pleasure. Anytime she start implement some measure, she make me groan and a shiver. She have the touch and I make man quiver. You turn me on, girl, and
you don't need me to tell her this.
Yeah,
bad artist,
yeah, real
bad artist. Yeah. So, and what you right now, because Madhouse now, so you're gone. No More Chance. That's a classic.
There's
the
no
collaboration.
peace.
We saw read this out. The collaboration with Terror, and then See God, which is No Peace. I think that is on the Arab Attack.
Right.
Big tune again, man. Big tune again.
Yaga boy, yaga way. Yaga yeah, whoa. See ya, say there's no peace in this war. Rude boy got you wed. Say too much bloodshed in the streets of this town. Yeah, there's no love, only hate. There's no time, there's no date. We tell them go see God before it's too late. Yeah, say from we ain't there, we near, so we walk, so we earn. Enough man a listen and them still not learn. Bad boy pop up make people skin burn. But my God soon return. There is no peace.
Another song that really did well for you. But then was a collaboration with Frankie Sly.
Yes.
And I think that is on the Medicine. Wonder When.
I wonder when. I go Cantrad Street again. Me say the youth them get as of violence. They will kill you all if you want it. And me say I wonder when. I go Cantrad Street again. Me say the youth them don't have no conscience. And they will kill you all if you want it. As a little youth, yo, me not too low Frank by that.
That's alright. That's alright.
And man, yes. And I wonder if it.
Dave, Madhouse that again. So that's on the Medicine. A Madhouse man, Medicine rhythm man, a Dave Kelly rhythm that man.
Yeah, but me do one song on the Medicine rhythm. Excuse me.
Not for Dave Kelly?
Yes, me do a song on the Medicine rhythm.
By yourself?
Dave Kelly by myself.
Oh.
So me did I wonder now, oh, that the song there.
You not hear that?
Yeah.
Oh.
A song when me I sing say, you know Dave Kelly? I'm not sure I know Dave Kelly. Dave Kelly I really old. I'll tell you something now. You see, when certain people say certain things to me, them have to go deep in them cranium if you say certain things to me. You know me I deal with?
Yeah.
You know, say me I go through as a little youth and me I not up, and you know me I not up me then, you know say, Dave Kelly are the only man who look at me and tell me say, yo, Gary, grow your locks. Yeah, and tell me that, and say, Gary, grow your locks. You know me I deal with?
Yeah.
And I respect that. I respect that never left out of me. Because when people give me words of encouragement, they know say I have to have a vision.
Right.
You know me I deal with, and that was good for me. So now, when the whole part thing them a go, me still a go through there now. You understand?
Yeah.
But Baby Sham now, in the picture now, so Dave Kelly now, remember say, him have to look on now, because the market then,
Right,
them a deal with a certain
right.
youth and thing, you know me I deal with, so, the rhythm when the medicine rhythm now, see? Me do a song on the medicine rhythm when him, them never see what I have seen. King I Selassie said if them out and them mind it clean, they would be in his glory. Them never see what I have seen. King I Selassie said if them out and them mind it clean, they would be in his glory. Said this your time I got dreader than before. All who are broke out like sore. Yaga knocking on your door. Jaja message it have in the cure. War and crime can't solve this your problem. What we need is love, no me hydrate. Don't get caught up in the system. We have to just climb out of the dungeon. Pack up your things before it's too late. Right now we ready, so set your mind straight. If they know how we feel repatriate, only if a youth are gonna lose them faith. The system get redder, the battle get hotter. No time to lose, yo, so don't get confused now. You know, we have the message out there for send to the people.
There is somebody where I am actually, very good within the space for your mannerism and your voice.
Yes.
Well, them would remind me of you because you were way
Yes,
before them, and that is Natty King.
Yeah, not the king.
Yeah, so when you speak,
Yes.
your mannerism,
True.
and when you hold certain notes,
Yeah, we know.
a king.
Because
a
we
king may
come
hear
from somewhere.
in a-
We come
in a-
from somewhere, man. The thing is this: when the universe, when the ancestors them send certain information, right? It never did send to me alone, Maybe when me recognize say the information sent to me, me intercept it and do a research on it, and then me assess it. When me assess it now, and do like so, and design it in the kind of way, how the melody, or it master, or it come to me. Because I can't do it, or it not come. Even though me is not the founder of it. Me know if me a step out of line. Right? So now, when you hear Lucian and them youth, then you hear Natty King, and you hear enough more youth. You know me I deal with Bushman and all in kind of way there.
Michael Buckley.
Michael Buckley, because Michael Buckley them a sing before me,
Yeah.
You understand? No sing before me, but them a get
Yeah,
more
because the
highlight.
thing, and why I say that, the thing when you say Bushman now and Natty King, where it's kind of a similar sound,
Yes,
for them sound kind of come from Michael Buckley.
Buckley,
So that's why
and
I
then
say
now
that.
Lucian, and then
Right.
now me and Lucian, because me and Lucian and the whole of we are the same. So you find out now, say, notice in the music fraternity, there is certain time when a certain sequence of sound captivates
Which is true.
the
which is
universe.
true. That's true.
And there is certain time when a certain sequence of the sound of the name. You understand? Because that you alone the information and the intelligence come to.
Right.
So you see what slipped from me now, if me intercept it,
Somebody else
another
will
angel
intercept
out there intercept it.
Good assessment. I like the reason. The line of reason, man.
Yes.
There's another song we're not giving on. You spoke about it, but Decompose, a big song.
Yes.
You understand? Even though that kind of lead up in some local politics
but it
and
go
something.
there.
It did.
So, yes, now when when we advise the song on me and Dave Kelly that raised about it, and thing I tell him say, there is something will come up where in the reason, something when me I try, me I deal try to get it because yes, in my song, Papa, can me see things different and people, we have to accept that. See, you see in the song, cause even steal them and the way they them think me I say stupidness.
Oh.
Because in the song me say, enough of them are sheep in a wolf clothing. So they must say, no, how comes me I say sheep in a wolf clothing when we should have said a wolf clothing. Me say, no, I don't say go. I say, I don't say go. I don't say go. Remember, if we are going to go in the Bible according to how I demonstrate this to me now, remember, say, God is the shepherd and we are the sheep of his pastures. So, if you can find a wolf It is when one of the sheep stray from the flock
Biblically speaking,
and
yes.
become a wolf. It's simple. Because Jah never make no wild. It's like everything connect. So when the sheep stray from the flock,
Become a
you
wolf.
become a wolf. And the moment you become a wolf now, you're going to get, you're going a different territory now, and you're going to get support. Just like how you see the youth them, if the youth them not careful, the people have to be careful there with all them boy pick me and all them kind of thing there. Because you know, them will get carried away by, you know me I deal with.
Yes.
So me I tell them say, no, check it man. God is the shepherd and we are the sheep of his pasture. So if you're going to look upon a human being and describe them as wolf, you have to make sure that once you can see it that kind of way there, you have to remember say, is one of the sheep stray from the flock and become a wolf because him rise against them. And he might try to build a population of corruption against his own flock. So if you're looking at if you really demonstrate the words and when they put in the Bible, Jah give you the knowledge. You understand? To assess them. How can this go that way? Just like that me sing, you know, in the song, you know. So when I address this song, what me say, oh, what a weeping and mourning, oh, what a gnashing of teeth, yeah, yeah, and who have no teeth if he bunks them go, and me say, oh, another prophet come and now them decompose, think and a rotten now, and the book of them did and forgotten, decompose, and no lie me a tell, see them now, them gone down a hell, them decompose, my, hey, hey, enough of them a sheep in a wolf clothing. Say all them a play, say them not play a thing. Me have so all them a sing, say them not sing a thing. Me have to take off with me musical wing. Can't just know Gary Minott is singing decompose because you know no. When me sing that song there, you know, Garnet Silk, you know, just dead, you know. So me only try to show the man them say, you know, see, no care you see a man today. No care see a man today. You see me I deal with tomorrow, you know, must see him. So me sing the song when you're decomposing, it's not like me not pint nothing.
I guess it was deeper than
all
them at the time.
So them now they might use it now as a rocker even there's no peace in this war. When me do there's no peace in this war. Me not do that for them. Me only say, yo, there's no peace in this war. Me make sure say, rude boy, guard your head because too much bloodshed in the streets of this town. There is no love.
You think deeper than when them say father man.
So I said there is no love, only hate. There's no time, there's no date. So see God before it's too late. You understand? It's simple. But to me sing the song, you know, because Dave Kelly construct it that way there, you know. Because I have a song with name Clean Steel, you know. Clean Steel. So it like it's a version and you know what I deal with, yes. Yeah man.
You didn't have to think deep father man.
Deep from ever since. And them not really take notice of me.
So question though, father. Because doing what I have been doing and also growing up, assessing and observing and loving the music,
yes.
I have seen people who are not necessarily as talented as a Gary Minott would have done
tremendous
in the space than Gary Minott with the level of talent that Gary Minott have. What happened?
All right, that is what I try to show you now. Because the reggae music, the music, not even say reggae, because a rebel music, you know. And then now it become a reggae music just because it can blend with the dance.
Right.
Me a rebel. Me a revolutionist. You know what I deal with? So me know the ground. You understand? No. Me don't know if them see like, because me go always there, you know, Papa. Me don't know if them see like all one of that 2 trains they ride, you know. Because me have to still be me. So whatever if you know yourself in this generation, you go forward in every generation because you done good. You understand? So now, look into this here now. Just like how you see some artists come up. And them just come with some lip service. See, the music thing now become a franchise. You can just come and say, boy,
anything.
A franchise, you want to go open a part road, just for the part of the people, but the whole light go under that. The editing is serious. You know what I mean? So everyone now try to come up with a different way. So even though it's a franchise, you know, you want to create a podium out of it, same way for yourself. We're different from all the franchise, but you use a piece. Everyone and come on and deal with it. You understand? So now, look how much artists out there sing different kind of music. You know, long missing there's no peace and no more chance and decompose and clean steel and them song there. You know, long that. The people never hear me, so the people want to hear me. But you know, I know me, me there I sit down and wait. You know, me I deal if a man call me for do a show, I'm willing and ready for do it. You know me I deal with? If a man call me for record, I'm willing and ready for do it. But them into themselves too much.
Yes.
Them into themselves too much because you see potential, when you see youth with potential, you don't play with them. Because you see them say what goes around comes around. You know me I deal with? Yeah, music, you know me I deal with. I mean I fight against no one like, because everything we want to do, alright, no show you something now. Based upon what you say a while ago. Everything we see I want to do, they have to be responsible, you know.
Yes.
They have to be responsible, you know. You understand? Everything when me I do, you know, me assess it, you know, that mean to say me make a wrong move, me drape up myself, you know. And know say me can't make the wrong move again. So enough look at you now come in the music industry, because it's a pathway. And enough money coming there and rings. So you can just do like someone comes to Ray and like you become the biggest producer tomorrow. We never know you become the biggest artist tomorrow. We don't know you. We give you a guitar and tell you pick a string, pick do re mi fa, so you can't do it. What you talking about? Fuck them.
Yeah, which is true. I true you talk.
You give them a jump. See me jump there. You give them a
No
jump. Pass me jump. See me jump right round there, so. See me jump right there, so go for me jump there for me slim. I want to them. Because I have my drum here, you know me I deal with. I don't walk and left me drum. I don't walk and left me drum and I have my drum. I play my drum, you know, because I know I have been doing a job. And I know music, you know. And I just a joke thing, you know. See it there? Let me give them one of this. This is how we come through. Oh, when we hear Rastafari, watch how we can tremble. He then no like your name. Oh, when we hear Rastafari, watch how we can tremble. He then no like your name. Oh, it's a new name, precious name, new name, Jah Rastafari. It's a new name, precious name, new name, Jah Rastafari. So we deal with it.
You see it, man.
So we deal with it. So I don't know play singer. Me a real revolution warrior. So the man can play and look a half key thing for me sing, because I learn to play everything. And if you not play right, I'm going to say that not right. God, me know it is so.
Right.
That's how we deal with music.
Yes. At that point in time, you were now around involved in the biggest, most prolific camp in the space. Zane, and we spoke about the likes of what was there, the Buju Banton, the Terror Fabulous, the Way They Wonder, Louis Culture,
Donovan Steele, yes. Daddy Screw, yes.
Whole heap of people. And you now was representing yourself very well, because from No More Chance to You Turn Me On to Seek God to what we left out. The song with you Frankie Sly.
Yes.
You were doing extremely well.
Extremely well.
All of the rhythms that you find hit songs.
Hit song for them.
So now, based on the research, it says that one time you kind of got so, I don't know if it was disinterested with the music or probably annoyed that you kind of stepped back and was even doing some farming and...
No, me always do everything. I got Dave Kelly, I say more time I care. Listen, me always at the farm.
Always at the farming.
So when I go to town, me left out of my farm, go to town, because I always have a plant.
Okay.
So that is a part of my life. Never yet. Never yet.
Okay.
Never come out of my life yet. Farming and planting and all them kind of things.
Okay, so based on, something I kind of did meant before the interview. I thought it was, because you never satisfied who are going there, so you kind of.
No, I know that.
I understand now, man. I understand now, man.
We willing to fight the battle.
I understand now, man.
Coming in at, we willing to fight the battle.
Yes.
Coming in and do it for the love of money, Papa. Me I do it with my heart, my soul bleeding out.
Yeah,
but guess what now, Virgin? Listen to me. Me I do it with my soul bleeding out.
Right.
Knowing that your product will produce interest to you, Papa.
As it should.
You know me I deal with so what go on.
So you made mention earlier also that despite Wonder When,
Yes.
Seek God,
Yes.
You Turn Me On,
Yes.
No More,
No
More,
peace.
right?
No
Which
more
is Seek
chance,
God,
right?
No More Chance. Zane, Decompose.
Yes, Decompose.
We're not even talk about Greedy yet, we're for jammies.
Yes.
Zane, You Lied.
Ooh,
You understand what I say?
So, if you had Mike Bennett too, and you know what I say?
Would that talk about some other tune,
about-
and you said that really and truly you weren't earning meaningfully from the music. How come?
Watch out now. Hear all this thing coordinates.
May I listen?
You see, as a youth coming up, when you have privilege to do certain things, you can able to do it. Our mind a bleed for $1 to go buy the next pound of sugar to get a pair of shoes.
After all of those
Hold
songs
on. Even in the process, to buy a pair of shoes, watch me now. Remember me telling you also the two look dub.
Yeah, man, right.
You know me I deal with, we have responsibility. You know me I deal with? But generally, me either thinking in my head say no, we have equality. But if you go blend the equal rights and the justice, everyone are going to say them justify within themselves with them do. You see me I deal with? And my fault. When you are youth now, you're the music thing go now. We growing up with the music thing. You understand? As somebody that produce we.
Right.
That means to say it's like will out with soul in them hand because when we are singing we are from a soul. Then now, looking into this now. The knowledge that we have now is things that now royalty and all these things now going to come through. You know, the process based upon how the producer treat you as a little warrior who get into this knowing that they want to support you and all them way there, but they do like them have feelings for you. Look into this here now. Then we voice a song for a producer. A producer never say, Gary, full out the contract sheet and so forth and all them kind of way there. You know what I deal with? And then no, we not look on that, you know. We just want to hear we name call out there. In a real life, you get establishment. This is what I deal with. Because we know the best is yet to come. And we have the faith and the courage and the confidence. The confident where we, you know what I deal with? And we keep ourselves, you know, we pray and give thanks. You know what I deal with, Papa? So now, them are not the kind, you them where, if you come, me think them producer, all of them I tell about, no, me not left out, none of them. You think none of them ever come to me and say, Gary, look here now, no, this is the IPI number. So do this and do this now, so your share can come your side and your side. Me not get no money from them, and the people them feel like say, me make money. Me not make no money. Everybody think me make money, I don't make a dime from them. And another lie me I tell me can speak this clear. None of them. One time Dave Kelly gave me a check for $85,000. When time we come back from Florida.
Oh, okay.
And you know me I deal with and what's it? Me not get, you know me I deal with? Me not really, me not know nothing more. Me not know nothing more. And no man no call me. Me can't find a man to say, yo Papa, what go on? We do such a great work. You think the work done yet? Eh? And you do that, you have a responsibility. You have just like me, we have to keep on singing. You put out a star out there and never know so the star will shine so bright. You make a big mistake. Because the barrel never empty, Jabby. And I don't like say, money we are sing for. Come to we and show the business and tell me, say, all right, Gary, here I go do. You have an account? All right. If you don't have an account, go up to the bank and open an account. This is how me treat youth. Even when them things say, even in them time, they when me, you know what you me send go get them account, send go get them password, and I say, so life start. Get your license. Because people teach me them things there. When I used to have a bank booking and in a version, I have a $200 a night and all in kind of way there. A big thing that, you know. know that him have a bank account over there so nobody can talk to him. You understand? We have our bank account. The man never say, give me a bank account so this can go in there, that can go in there, that can go in there. Not like that. I go on. Neither from Steely, Jammins, Dave Kelly. Nah, name them.
Because you did something for Jermaine before.
Jermaine. The one that I tell us if you jump up on half of the
right.
One day me there Spanish town and
general.
Yeah, one day me go at the 5-star general with Gandhi Silk and the wall up on the ready. One day me there Spanish town and broke and go check Mr. Jermaine. Down at the office at Penthouse. Me see man them take up a bumper. Yeah. Me go in at the office. You understand that I rifle shop we used to rehearse in the side room there in the office. So go in at the office. And me tell him, say, right, and one brother used to in the way we deal with him accountant thing. You know what I deal with? So I go in there and say, boy, I'm not on the money, you know what I go on. You know me I deal with? Because no man never call me and give me an envelope or give me a check. No, you know me I deal with? Me I say, man, you're not no heart, man. What kind of man them here? They know me have to eat and wear clothes and all that kind of thing there. And we are young youth. You know, I've been mix up. I've been record clean like a whistle and me go in the garrison. Real garrison. Do a research on Gear Minott. You never hear my name in a so come in and take that. No, that stay aside. Come in where me I deal with is not just for this generation. It's for the generation to come and to come and to come. You see me I deal with? So them never put the youth them in a certain sequence and say, all right, you want me or no? IPI number, when you pull up this contract sheet, you know, so boy, you know, the thing split and you get your, you know me I deal and you get your part and thing. You look for them now if you call you and give a check. Because them, you know me I deal with it. Them not do that. Them forgot about it. Some of you like so and say, boy, you hear me? I don't want them man let nobody feel like say, me not getting any achievement out of what me I do can stop me from doing me I do.
Okay.
So that determination that you see I go on right until now. You see me I deal with? So if a man want me sing, sometimes people call me to come sing 2 dub plate. Me sing 2 dub plate, make a money put. I'm not going to broke my neck out the bridge and I try to force ripe certain things when the media and the people who have to see this, we want something to learn. Look how long me I tell them, say there is no peace in this war and all that kind of thing. And the man them just corrupt the whole place. And now listen, because enough of them are listening and them still now learn. Me make all them the song there, you know. See? So one time DF Kelly I tell Mikey Bennett, say, Mikey Bennett, good singer, you know, but you know me I deal with. I think you was a man where, you know me I deal can learn a lot from. And I did learn a lot. I'm going to do a song for Mikey Bennett when they call Bail Out.
Bail Out.
There is a new talk in town. It's like a virus going around. Lord have mercy on your radio, in your paper, on your TV show. People are asked how the story go. Picture attack, big teacher make, Lord. But as usual, they are the last to know. They are the last to know. Bail out. Azum, bail out now. Them time in the world, the country them in under recession.
Okay.
When him write the song.
Bail out, okay. Makes sense.
I'm singing a song when him bail out now. You know, and one next one when him weary Warfield world because of the war we are going. Political wickedness, I feel like crying, They slaughter the innocent on the grounds of protecting the same. You have an ulterior motive for your war. So soldiers, keep your chest to the ground, watch your back while they're crawling through the mire. Cause they won't tell your wife and child you were killed by friendly fire. So legalize mercenaries, slowly building cemeteries for our young. So I sing my song. We've got to find out what we're really fighting for. Remove the leaders who press for war. Unveil the lies, reveal the truth. We are the people we persecute. I speak the truth and it may disturb this ya weary war-filled world. Yaga yo, this ya weary war-filled world. Yeah, you send children off to battle, then spread flags upon their coffin. Some consolation for a life. Now you come in, now you Jacket, suit and limousine. I never see you on the battlefield, but here you are after the war. So we've got to find out what we're really fighting for. Remove those leaders who press for war. Unveil the lies, reveal the truth. We are the people we persecute. I speak the truth, and it may disturb this ya weary war-filled world.
Man.
So that's why I sing them kind of song. If you know the kind of song, then listen to the song, then come down, them sing back after one another, come down, come down, come down, come down. It's not like me just they're all over the place.
Which is true.
And I sing all different kind of things. No. Them in a sequence, may I tell you. And if you listen to them, me sing a lot of songs. Just the other day, I see all 1 and 2 songs I'll jump up on YouTube. Sing song from.
But you see where they can jump up now because you can't keep down good music forever.
You can't keep them down. I mean, I want to warm to them. You know me I deal with no wait until, we in a desperate situation. My advice like all me, if they allow me, if you talk to the people, I think this country out in this situation right now, because me is a revolution singer. And me know how to deal with the revolution warrior them. Me see there's no peace in this world. I know all like Batman them, because me grow in a ghetto.
You mentioned a lot
Me
of them
grow
names.
all of the bad man, them from Spanish Town, go everywhere. Me know them, me know all them mother, because me old man, In the next couple of months, I know, me are 59, You understand? See? So it's not like me don't know them, me know them mother and me know them, me I deal with. But you have to check on this, how the world situate. Me I deal with.
Yes.
What I know, no? You can be among them, but not of them. How about that?
True. you and Dave ever hold any form of conversation about?
Not even not even a simple one like this.
Not
Not like this, no.
Do you?
But him tell me say he's a good singer.
He can't tell you otherwise.
Him tell me say he's a good singer.
He can't tell you otherwise.
And him know say if him do like so and construct something, I mean really just sit down and look on it like say that split second and then now I'm going to tell him say which part, this to go and I'm going to see.
He couldn't tell you otherwise.
Yeah, but I watch I don't know, producer like them there. You understand? Producer like Dave, because then you like construct music too.
I know say write a lot, man. He write a lot of
stuff. I learn a lot from Dave in the region. When say if some people really sit down and listen to some song, when we really do, they would have realized. I learn a lot from Dave.
But let me ask you one last question about Dave. Do you think decompose cause the situation with Dave to decompose?
To tell the truth, it's like, I can't say yes and I can't say no, but I can't give you reasons.
Okay.
Why I can't think both ways.
Okay.
You understand? No judgment. We are
I understand. I respect that.
So the thing is this here now. When we do the song, the uproar it start from the Penthouse when Baby Sham them just come in and come from school and I do certain song.
Okay.
But me 9 and when me hungry man I go see me 9. So them think they have an impact with downtown Kingston knowing that matches later so and Tivoli there so. Some man used to send all people come to Dave Kelly if you come vice or song and all them kind of thing. So it's not like really would I tell us boy I choose that. So he want to continue with film music business, so he have to know the kind of company we facilitate film himself with also. Because if he want to live and deal with music, you have to know who to gravitate yourself with. And the thing that get out of uncertain we are me see that as a youth from weird. I don't know if them see that. Because politics now go come in at it. Yes, so I deal with
anything with politics touching, brother.
So then now, we know say politics in the music, but now it start to reach to a certain kind of way where producer and you have your studio and you have a rhythm and your rhythm bad and all in kind of way. And true, you have 10 bad man down there, so they just send one youth because they say that youth the bad and say, yo, vice him party man if you don't vice it all. You can't punch all your windscreen leak out all, you're afraid for walk and all. And them look they used to go on, Papa, in a real life. So me now go say, me no see what go on. Me sent all of them there. You see me I deal with, so watch you now, no? Him did have to leave from around a Penthouse and go around a Mullines Road.
Okay.
Go make up film studio. So when him do all the song and him under the sycamore tree and all them with I just because the terrorizing and where did I go on and you know me I deal with, so him have a studio around on a Mullines Road. And in my voice, Lady Sir and Tanya and Baby Sham and thing. And them time, you know, the place I run red. Remember the place start to run red, you know, because when we do all there's no peace in this world. Remember saying them time the politics and all some more things. Just a one, you know, because I remember say one government run the place for 18 years, you know. So in them 18 years, you know, me get caught up in the whole of that, you know. Because you want me, you know, me not sing for Labour right, and me not sing for PNP. Because if me not sing for any one of them in the Virgin, they would have highlight me, because you know whichever we are sing for and them embedded with you. You understand? But me now, you know me I deal with
Truths
me now.
right.
Truths are right. You know me sing now. Me sing for make them know, so listen me now, no. Like how the year the youth them tell the girl them to skin out and the girl them skin out. Them sing and tell you them to rise the machine and them rise the machine. Just like how me sing and telling us right here now we need some consolation before we even, you know, me I deal with some, we need, you know, to listen. Not only if you tell the man them say, all them I do is be a gun song and we can't listen them and know them. One man not listen to Gary Minott. You understand? We are telling say we need some betterment in the world. You understand? We need all of them kind of things there, you know. So we sing about them, you know, but them not see them there. Them only see the negative thing about we talk about what you know. If me that sing, you know, enough of them things there would have be preventable. Because they would have who fit in a certain sequence of time, because time and sequence roll together. Time and space create pattern, you know. So the reason why all of these things come in here now. Because enough of the youth that we are singing now, them are really artists. I'm telling you. No disrespect, but them have a voice.
Yeah, they have a voice.
Them are not artists, but them have a voice. And if them use that voice and make a mark, I think them should have go back in them bathroom and start to see if they can come with better quality. Because people get to know you now. You understand? So do better. You know me, I deal with virgin. So even if you come and tell a girl to skin out, you understand, and so forth. So based upon what did I say, you know, family, see? You see, all politics come in and the thing, you know, me have to let Spanish town go town. Spanish town hot. So me have to know me I move even when me there Spanish town or even when me there town. You understand? Because we try desolate places. You understand? We try to desolate places. Take taxi, walk foot and all them kind of way there. You understand? So now that they kind of come in the way, you know, with the politics thing, you know, and the whole thing, you know, and then Dave Kelly gonna move up, you know, and then now the whole thing kind of shuffle up.
Spoke about a lot of the songs already, but there are a couple other songs. So Get Ready, Daylight, Jungle Life. Because the truth is, what a lot of people may do with Gary Minott is box you into No More Chance, box you into Seek God, box you into Yaga Yaga, and box you into Wonder When. But the catalog far deeper than that. And that's one of the, you know, the challenges where a Gary Minott face along the journey.
So pay my dues. You see, pay my dues. That's when Zebra come from prison the last time, you know, and he come check me, you know. Because I will groom the youth there. Enough of the children we hear them and sing and me. I run me enough of them there, you know, Papa.
Oh, cool.
Jackie Chang and all them youth there, you know, Papa. Daddy Woody and all them youth there, you know. Woody Slackness and all them youth there, you know. So it come like it's a camp, me have a Spanish town. You know me, because me have my garden around there, so and everyone can just meet up, push power with them because we are dealing with music.
And all around.
And all around. And so it used to go. You understand? So way back that time, I think in 2000 now.
Yeah, in them time there.
Yeah, I go do Wonder Way, pay my dues. I think Supreme. Something like that, some route of Fligo.
Okay.
Fligo, see? A song we say, I say, I have paid my dues, only life I can lose. I've been through many tough times, I can show a lot of cuts and bruises. I have paid my dues, in the way which I choose. I've been through many phases, I'm not a new recruit. After all these ups and downs, I see where many have been cheated. Disadvantage I've been taken. They got no mercy for the babes and suckling. Ooh, now, you see the man, them way I make the gun, them, nah stop, nah stop. And the youth, them way I squeeze the trigger, get trapped. Get trapped. Said every day me ask the question why so much innocent have to die. And through the guns them in the stacks and pile. That's why the youths them a get so wild. But I have paid my dues. Only life I can lose. I've been through many tough times. I can pay a lot of cuts and bruise. You know, that's how it is. Real life, you know, in a real life, man. You know?
I think you migrated in 2016, formally, because I know you were in and out. Formally, 2016. Yeah, what led to that decision to, you know, kind of settle that side?
All right, 2016, you know, me there because my wife live in foreign.
Okay.
You understand? And me have my kids them there in Canada.
Cool.
Like, and them are big people. Big, you understand? So now, me there here, and throughout the time now, me never got foreign and spend like 5 months. You know what I deal with? So me just say, all right, she up there and my son up there and the rest of them there. So you know what I deal with? So me say, me build, you know, because guess what now, no? Somebody tell me something one time, you know. Somebody come around and shop, you know, and I say, Minott. Plenty people come here and they buy from you and them don't. And it is really true. It happened more than one time, people confront with certain things. You understand? So now, when we migrate now and go up here now, me just go up there for chill and all them way there and say, well, I'm going to chill here. You know what I did? And then me there and say, you know, me must see me a day when me get a guitar and make sure I'm not professional on guitar, but I can pick when I sing, I can play when I sing, even by strings. Even there's no piece in this world by strings. See? So I realize that I can do more and more and more and more. See? Just take for myself just to have a peace of mind. You know what I deal with? Because it's like, it's only being nice I make. You know what I deal with? And I can't get caught up in a confusion. Because Rasta, we learn about confusion, you know. When somebody attack, you don't, you know, make them speak them sentence and listen. And you know, that's how we learn it. Because there's a Kingston where Rastafari, where I learned through Rastafari. You know what I deal with? That don't mean to say sometime we will not try to break through. You know what I deal with? But that's how it is. You know what I deal with, Papa? I just a long, you know what I deal with the journey far. So me, you know, I don't say me go America for live, you know.
Right.
Me just the America, but me, after me the America now, me say, all right, me have to go stay there now, forget myself. So I come here green card, you know me I deal with. Right. Because migrate and me the America. See, me married and everything, you understand? So me just wait and get my green card.
Makes sense.
Me get my green card, long time me get my green card. But me say, when me I go to Jamaica go do? I sing, me want to sing, me no want to do nothing else. I sing, me want to sing, me just want to sing. It in me, it a boil up. You know, but through the people, them have veil. The producers, them have veil over them eye, them can't see potential.
Couple of years ago, move after the interview, yeah, man. That's my hope. And even before me go any further, for the sound man them out there who don't know how to get in touch with Gary Minott and the promoter them who they want bad singer to come mash up stage show, how them find you?
You want me to know? Yard and Brad. Remember, you know, how the internet things right now. See? You see, my number, my contact number, straight contact number, is 646-420-3117.
Run it again.
646-420-3117. Then now my email number now, right? My email is GaryMinott47@gmail.com. Understand?
Yes.
And then now you find Gary Minott Music, Instagram.
Oh, okay.
And you know, Facebook, you know me I deal because it's a widespread, you know me I deal with one thing link to another. You understand? So, if you make any one of them, I say Gary Minott. Link there, if you link Gary Minott, so wait a while, go on.
You link them all come, man.
Yeah, because we need money to spend now, we have a whole for youth out there with potential, you know, and guess what, I sue them who I make, you know.
Oh, you want this
production? Because I can write song, and I can bring out where in enough youth when we say. Where, it's like something where Dave Kelly used to do, bring out certain things, because I learn them things from them. You understand? Plenty song where you hear me, you know me I deal like, once you come with idea, it good, me not go turn, me go sing and me go sing and me go, you know, me I deal give you melody, tell you how to steer certain things. Me love them thing there. And that's why so many youth respect me, you know, me I deal with. I'm still don't have no money to buy 6 bike and 10 car for the whole entourage behind me as a gear man at area. We have to go, you know, for hold 2 drum and 2 shaker and all them things there.
Yeah, we understand.
And jump on the blood by a big jeep, them and go up and know say where. When you up on the big jeep, them and we are move, guess where we are do? We are move for a purpose. We not just move.
The man still love the music, man, despite the fact that the music probably not treat him as well as it should.
I know the music not treat me good, man.
people
Music
about
treat
the
me
music.
good. Music treat me good, because music, me always get inspired by music.
Right.
Music can treat me good, but financially. But you see how me feel great, knowing that I have a good voice. And I can sing.
Yes, sir.
And I sing for a purpose.
Yes,
you know,
sir.
just sing just because I can make a sound. You understand? I sing for a purpose.
True.
I feel, me know who give me instruction. Because watch out now, there's a me, you know, and a myself, and I. You see, this structure is I govern it. It's not me or myself. You understand? Because if I allow me and myself to govern the structure,
Yes.
me can put myself in a trouble. And then I is the one going to pay the penalty.
True. You have to pay for true. Nobody can pay for you.
So now I is the higher one who govern the me and the myself. So anything me want to do with myself, both me and myself have to come check I make the decision.
Yes, sir.
So that's it.
Yes, you are under management at this point in time?
Not really a solid background.
Oh,
you know me,
okay.
ideally, but we're getting there.
Yes.
That is where we're getting. Because the people that we surround, where me deal with, you know, like chicks and
Right,
you know,
right.
Jagger and them, man, you know. Me I look for them put, you know, me are the best. Cause me I put the best.
Yeah,
so me I deal with. And guess what, no, when me I do that, you know, once we're comfortable in a bridge, we can do what we sing. You know, me I deal with, me can't sing.
Music alone, Charlie.
Yeah, me feel sing and I wonder, tomorrow, more. You know, me I deal with
I understand what you're saying.
I like that. That's why I do have to always do something.
Right.
You know?
And the studio that you made mention of, you want the studio to be abroad or a yard?
One just see me.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, look at now. We are a product of the poor population, you know.
Right.
This is why so much reflection upon us. And then now, when you need help, you have to exercise the kind of help you want. If you want help up or help down. Because, you know, I deal with. So that's what it is to me. You know, society.
So you don't mind about studio or yard?
Yard and broad, because anywhere me there.
Say yard and broad, anywhere you go.
Society,
Yeah.
anywhere me there.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
Because to all society deal with them, me a product of the poor population, so everywhere me there now me is a band.
Yes.
And from we get 2 more youth and we can just go pick up 2 pieces of instrument and say, all right, we'll build a studio, you have potential, come we could take it from here. So.
Music.
You know me I deal with that's how it goes.
Whilst, I know you say it's not music still, but I guess it's all me to term this. Whilst, and as I said before, I don't think that Gary might not attain his optimum potential, especially in the time period where you did
Me
get
not get
that
the justice, man. Just say the man not get the justice,
say it
man.
and you say no justice
But
you want.
when they say that, when they say me not get me justice, you know me I deal with.
Yeah.
We already say dear so.
Right.
You understand? So me I say no, me not get no equal. Justice can't come without equality, you know.
That's what I
so
said.
that's why me I tell you say we need equality.
Okay.
If you did have equality, you wouldn't have to go weird on a justice down the sun. We have an equal share, yeah, so.
Yeah, but me I
Or
said
justice
that
coming at this. And just ice melt way.
I said that we said this now. See, despite the fact that, you know, you don't get the justice where you deserve, where your talent deserve. That is what me I say. Hold on, man. Yeah?
Yes.
When you look at the journey
Yes.
of Gary Minott as a quality, top class singer, vocalist, yeah, is there anything that you would have done musically that still give you that joy that when you look upon you and say, yes, you know, say, Mr. Henry did do that?
Yes.
And the youth them can look upon that and say, yes, Daddy did it, man.
Yeah, man.
Talk to me.
Did music.
Yeah. Music.
Did
That
music.
is it. Yeah.
Can watch me now. Did music.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Because watch me now. When me sing a song, it come out of me.
Mm-hmm.
Just like when me go lay down for a girl
Yeah.
and get a kid, a child.
Come out of you.
A child out of me.
Yes, sir.
So all of my song them is my kids them brother and sister.
Mm-hmm.
Because both all of them are come from the same place.
True.
You understand? But I don't know if they look at it that way. But this is why I have to do what I'm doing in music.
Because you know, them go sit down and look upon it.
You know me I deal with so even though me never own half a downtown, then can say, boy, you hear me? Man not doing best, but it looked like him best wasn't good enough. They didn't see that they were doing his best. You understand? Because watch out now, when people do, this is why I know me have to do my best in every aspect. Me can't make where them do stop me.
Right.
You understand?
Fully.
You know how me feel in myself through all the journey in the music. I must say only 2 times I ever vex. I must say only 2 or 3 times I ever vex. You know myself. Come here and say, yo, them will know one day, man. Them will know, because we learn, them will know, say, yo, you know me I deal with.
Like that mindset.
I say, they're not ready yet, man. They're not ready yet, man. You know me I
day.
deal with. And one time, Bonnie Ruggs and tell me, say, yo, you know, say, the generation is not ready for you. Yeah. At a dub studio and tell me, Jack Radix and them, you know me I deal with sometimes some man don't even know what them say to certain people, but if you're not in a certain realms, you can't say certain things to me. And guess what? When they say certain things to me, guess what? It's sting. Especially when I words of wisdom.
Wisdom, yeah. Naturally, man.
You know, so I say, your time will come when things are going to happen. Don't rush nothing. You know me I deal with. I'm just humble in life because I know say, I don't really depend on music.
Right.
Me, let me tell you what me will do. Me will go out there, go work, make my studio, and search the youth them with potential and talent, and deal with them. Me not forget a dime through music to do that because what if I never that? Then me would not do anything else. You know me, I be willing to do it. I see too, me have this passion about music now.
See that.
Me will do everything. Even when I not get a dollar, I only want to say me keep myself clean and you know me I did. And you know me I did. Me just want to know me alive and give thanks to be alive and
yes.
you know and whatever me can achieve out of it, me still accept it and all them kind of way. But you see, if I want to know equality, that means to say, you know, you can't come tell me nothing about justice. Because I'm going to tell you, say, justice, it can break in a 2 sentence. Equality already in a 2 and they measure the right and proper way. That's why it named equality.
Balance.
Balance.
You have any ill will towards any producer of the music because how you were probably treated? None.
Me am not like that. Me just say, you like a Dave Kelly. He made me develop this self-esteem within myself. Thinking of myself so me I'll get to unleash now. And then now it coming like, you know me I did kind of make music, then now it coming like say, you know me I did, I mean that lay back and all that kind of weird. You know me I did, me not like that.
You don't like that?
Me not like that. You know me I did, so producers and you know.
But no resentment towards nobody.
Yeah, me can't do that and a music me I deal with. If me go deal with that and I deal, no, that's why me tell you say me have to take time out for know say, why not? Don't make certain things make you have to think certain way and captivate your mind with don't make nothing make you get corrupt.
Fair.
Because then no me would have go say something about one and then me have to go say something about the other and then me have to go say something about the other. Everyone play the role where them to play in a life. So them have to give account that is their responsibility. Me have my responsibility. You ask me, boy, Mr. Minott, so where you say? You don't get no justice. Me say me never want no justice here, sir. Me need equality. That me that tell you say that the man they rob me or that the man they do this or that the man they do that. If them did no equality, they would have sit to it that
thing balance out.
It's simple. And then now you want $1 for putting in your pocket, you know me I deal with. And you know, Jaga want to go party, you know me I deal with. You want, and guess what? No, me never feel like me less than, never.
Good.
Yo, the momentum when I'm here, it's great.
You recorded with one of my favorite DJs of all times,
Yes.
Terror Fabulous.
Terror
See?
Fabulous.
Bad DJ, despite everything else. See? You also have a collaboration with Frankie Sly.
Yeah.
Is there anybody where you never work with collaboratively where, you know, you think you're going mash up, go in our studio, go mash up a rhythm with like, it's just a vibration. I know these things sometimes happen for energy and timing, you know. But you know, you probably made that thing and you hear a voice upon it and I say, yo, that would then make sense.
Yes, enough time.
Enough time.
Enough time. Plenty of time. That's why I have to have studio. That's why I have to have studio.
I understand.
Because remember, it's we make music, you know. We make music, you know. We listen to the universe and the archangel them and then we put the pieces them together. Because you know what I say?
Yes.
It's make. And not just we make music.
And the songs that you have actually recorded, you actually wrote out those songs or are just put it down from out of the cranium?
Look at now, to tell you the truth, I write them down in a book.
Okay.
And then my finger tremble.
Oh.
In a real life.
In a real life.
In a real life. I write them, plenty of songs I hear me I sing, I write them before I sing them. You know. I deal with, but singing a song and writing a song is two different
things. True that.
You know what I deal with, brother?
True that.
So me write a song. Me only write it to give me a guidance. When me put it down in a details. Me only do it to give me a guidance. Because when me go in the studio, alright, take from me write a song now, see? And I'm going to say, yes, the grass is green and the sky is blue. You know what I mean? Then now, me never write, like, me never put, in my head, before me say the grass is green and the sky is blue, me already say, ayaga ye already, and a mama ma, you know.
Yeah.
Me already say that in my head, but them not right,
but them
not write down. Because if the song not in the sequence, within the high and the low melodies when me sing, like when I say, my, a different sequence, different, you know what I'm saying? Different levels.
Yes. I know that you say certain things, read these things already, but the songs that you did, whether it was for Penthouse or Jammies or Steely and Clevie or Madhouse or wherever you did the songs in, right? Is there any, well, has anything been done, any steps been taken to try and at least start collecting from those things you never get up front? Like, or you just leave those things and forget about them?
No. We don't leave those things and forget about them, you know. But forget to those things, you know. Based upon how these producers, you understand, used to make their claims. Some of the producers them just go sell an album or all-star album
to somebody else.
$120,000 to $15,000, and they're not busy with nothing more than, you know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
So what we know now, we have to go up on the research and now we have to have team around where people sit down and track all these things, knowing that we have the vessel where we pour out the wine. You know what I deal with? Make us see the value of the wine and the complex, how far the wine reach.
Right.
You know what I deal with? So someone always have to be there. You know
so are there things being put in place to get that person or persons?
Yeah, well, right now we have someone in place now for settle all of them. So because we are now, we have put it right across the board, you know. You understand?
Yeah, fix the business.
Yeah, so what you know, right now, we are like Dave Kelly, King Jammins, because my number there, you know. All of the money when we do song for, when we sell them for just give me an IPI money. Because me don't check out on everything already. I say, oh yeah, for me to make my claims, you do me do. Because who no can't make it. Who no can't make the claims when me forget. So who no can't be, who no have to understand this bridging and equality. What you know, no? All me I tell the man them say, all the studio them and all of the producer them, when me voice song for. The man never see me run back on the man and I tell them to give me the money. You understand? It is out there. You understand? If me have the IPI number, me can make my claim. If me not have the IPI number, me can't make the claims. The whole of the money there. And me sang them out there. Uno can't claim it. One go make it go down the drain. Like when I save it with somebody else. Free up. Enough you would get left out in kind of way there. And enough you would walk up and down on the street and one feel disappointed in themselves because they put out a whole heap of work. It's straight. I don't say it go. So no partiality in the night. It's not like saying the man a robber, you know. The man, more time with a year or some. singer and artist and them things, I say, why them boy they are rubber and all that. I don't really, just because we don't have the knowledge to certain things and them now,
power,
them just leave way a bit.
Hang in, man.
Them now come and say, here my youth, your voice, your song and the song
do
is
this
so
and
good.
do
You
that.
want me to know, no? You sign up, you register, you understand, and everything. Right. So this is the IPI number. You understand? Call them and give that to them. That means to say, if you forget 5 cents, it will go in your account. Why them not do that? What cost all that? Remember, equality, me say, no, me no know. So I just them think that. So it's not like say them a robber, because them can't claim it.
Yes.
Unless them try to claim the rights, them give you your percent and you get, why you think they get tangled with people? Because we do something and when you take a stock, you get 75% and the artist I get 25%. When we figure 50-50. You know more than me and me no more than you. Come on, man, we have work together, we have teamwork do this, man. Understand that? Yo, Papa, that's why I tell you, say, you see me?
Yes.
I'd rather go to school and knock me by a big job in a brethren and just sing some song and free my soul and light a fire and burn a fire amongst my brethren them in a brethren. I want to go through all of them, yeah. For them feel like, say, boy, yeah, my heart I bleed out for money. Me already work and it dead. Somebody can't collect it, but them not allow me to collect it neither. That means to say, them, I don't like me to reach out to the brethren. No, if somebody want to reach out to me, they would have reach out to me.
Father Minott.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever done an album?
No.
All right. I'm asked if you said this. You said voices like yours and musical minds like yours need to be on. But we can sit down and listen to 15, 16 tracks back to back.
True.
You understand? Yes, so that's just my one recommendation to them. One of the recommendation, as I said, a voice like yours that is so mature and full, plus your musical approach and thoughts, we need an album would be nice.
Yeah.
An album would be nice.
What you know? Look here now. The mindset we have.
Right.
The song them where you hear me say, me can take 2 months and get an album with 13 songs. Not 13 lippy. You understand?
13 masterpieces.
And if me hear a beat, me sit down and construct my thing different. Me not just jump on the things. You know what I mean? So we need album now and we are work towards
I would love it. I drive go Westmoreland and have a Gary Minott album I go and
instead of you have to go put the one
single. You understand? Also, I sincerely hope that whatever has been done to at least get up to date now with the work that you would have put in down the years is done. Yes, man.
Yes.
Because here we go on. Even when Father Gary Minott passed and gone, Father Gary Minott is a father and a grandfather and I'm going to become a great grandfather. And the legacy is supposed to
father, what you know, father of the fatherless and judge of the widow.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You understand? So I hope them look at things they work out. Before now, we know that Gary Minott is a bad singer, but doing the research, I say, but more so sitting down here, so in the man's presence and reason with you, we get a greater appreciation for the man as a musician and as an artist, brother. I mean, I appreciate that. I'm sure say a lot of viewers are going to come to the realization. They say, Gary Minott just did do some song. He did probably ahead of him time to. Yeah. And how you were looking at the music and doing the music. I respect it, man.
We there open up, you know. Because Jah love me, you know.
Yeah,
Jah love me, man. I'm in love with people and everything. But you know, you see me now, we just sing and laugh, you know. But when we don't sing and laugh and the people and feel nice and everything, Bridget. I still want to know, say, oh yeah, hear me. We can go buy 1 pound of sugar, Bridget, and some cabbage and make a pudding and cabbage and pick coconut off of my tree.
Where are some of the places outside of Jamaica you have gone to perform, though?
New York,
America.
If we go England, then kill police in that club. If we go hard boat, these are the things that we are happening now. These are the things that will happen in them. But so now you see, people lost them faith, you know. You have people we lost them faith, you know, like, you know, just because one thing happen is like them don't even know, say, yo, Jah put we through desolate places to know the faith where we have.
It's just like how I say your voice with the album.
Yes.
The voice if they run in Europe and Africa and them places, man. Promoters, man, do the right thing, man.
Wake
right
up.
thing, man.
I
campaign with Father Minott. You understand? I mean, I really campaign like that. But me realize the levels far greater than what I think it was, brother. I respect that and admire that. Bad artist, man. Bad artist, boss, man. Bad artist, man. Zane, and me go say it. you don't get the justice you deserve, bro.
Yeah.
But you're not too late. You understand?
Give thanks.
And
Give thanks.
we hope say with an interview like this, it open some more eyes and some more ears.
Yes.
And also, well, I know you run check on them man there.
Yes.
So when you do the thing them, going forward, make sure them on the Spotify and Apple Music.
yes,
That's how I think they kind of know. You understand? You have to keep up to the thing.
yes.
But Father man, go and do the
Great,
thing, man, and
great,
all the
great,
musical desires we have when you fulfill it,
Me
I
have
hope
them,
those
man,
things
man.
become a reality, man.
Yeah,
You're
man.
deserving of that,
Yeah,
brother.
reality.
And your contribution to the music, even though it is not as celebrated as it probably should have been, it is well done, brother. I appreciate it, man.
More love and more
I
life.
appreciate.
And
I appreciate the reason that, brother.
Yes, I am.
I appreciate this
Natural thing, man.
I appreciate the reason,
no
man.
other, no jump off,
no.
And you know me, I deal.
Yeah.
Nobody know more than me.
Yeah.
And me know more than no one.
And
And the levels that.
yeah. You know me not have yet. Me not have a gear in mind because Apple Music me use.
Yes.
Me not have a gear in mind at Apple Music clearly said so.
Yes.
By the time I reach in tonight,
All right.
that's seal up, brother.
Okay.
That's how we do it. Think about it. I think.
One more life.
Big up yourself, Godfather, and go on. I will always hear, man. So when you do things and you need to get ears and eyes on it,
Yes.
link with forward.
You know what time it is? Yeah, man. Teach them, gear man not in person. Ayaga, yeah, I'm a my, mama, my, yeah. I'm a my, mama, my. See that? Teach them. Gear man not in person.
Peace.
Yes, man.
In
This
this
is Papa.
brother.
Go
Big up
straight
yourself,
and courage.
Teach them. Always make sure the message I reach them.